Hey, what's up? I'm Sam from AI for Marketers, and today we're gonna learn how to use Kaiber AI for video generation. Now listen, I'm not saying that this is going to be like the best tutorial you'll ever see in your entire life, but it is, and I am saying it. I really hope it is useful to you. For me, Kaiber is one of the best AI generation tools out there. So if you're ready, my boy or girl, let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing we see here is like the landing page, right? Like something super normal. You see like the product, pricing, gallery, Kaiber Studio, and the about page. A cool animation that showcases what you can create with Kaiber. Discover the artists within you. Turn text, videos, photos, and music into stunning videos with our advanced AI generation engine. This is like the gallery bar. Elevate your art, lift your creative expression to new heights. Transform, upload your videos, and effortlessly transform them into entirely new styles and aesthetics. This is like a super cool animation, frame by frame animation style where one layer evolves based on another, allowing you to create with timeless creativity. And this is like motion, right? A smooth, consistent animation style. Just pop in your prompt and watch it transform into a visual experience with entrailing fluidity and motion. During the creative revolution, this is basically testimonials of the software. This is a product page, Kaiber core features, made for artists by artists. We are an AI creative lab on a mission to unlock creativity through powerful and intuitive generative audio and video tools. Audio interactivity, animation, transform, etc, storyboard. This is super cool. This is one of my favorite features of Kaiber. We're gonna do that part. It's gonna be great in the tutorial. Gallery, you can see like the entire, like things that people have created. Made with Kaiber. Transform your ideas into masterpieces with Kaiber's state-of-the-art AI video generator. This is basically the things that people have created. It is truly amazing what people can create with AI.
Shine them perfectly, or I'll make you lick them clean.
Yes, Lord Jackie.
How dare you stick your lord and master without permission? Such insubordination must be punished. You disappoint me.
No, dude, why? Okay, so yeah, in the gallery bar, you can see like all the creations that different people have created with Kaiber. Let's analyze Kaiber's plans. The first one is Explorer. Unlock all that Kaiber has to offer for $5 a month. 7-day free trial, 100 credits. $5 billed monthly for 300 credits. 1 minute of Flipbook effect. Motion 2.0 model, you have up to 16-second videos. Also Motion 3.0. Transform up to 1 minute videos, access to the gallery, audio activity, motion brush, animation, transform, video to video, image to video, select camera movements, add scenes, and you can modify your aspect ratio. Okay, then you have the Pro plan, which is everything you had in the Explorer plan plus 1,000 credits, discounted credit box, Flipbook effect, you have up to 8-minute videos. In the Explorer plan, it's just 1 minute. And then Motion 2.0, you have 160-second videos. And in the Transform 1.0 and 3.0, you have up to 4-minute videos. Everything else pretty much the same, but you have the option of upscaling your videos 2x and 4x. Then we have the most expensive plan, which is Artist. For power users who want the most value, it's $30 a month for 2,500 credits, better access to test drive and new Kaiber features, up to 8-minute Flipbook videos, and then pretty much everything else the same. You have like a lot more credits with this plan. The plan we're gonna use today is the basic one, the Explorer. But if you're going like to use it like Kaiber, I would recommend this one. Like this one is super balanced and it's just $15, right? Okay, so yes, let's go to Kaiber Studio. Okay, so let's create our new account. My name is Sam, last name Bravon, and username, let's go to Bravon. Let's go, update. If we wanted to like connect our socials, we could here. By the way, if you want to contact me on Instagram or Twitter or whatever, like I'm at Bravon. Okay, so we have 60 credits, so let's create our first video. As I said before, on the video generation part, we have 3 different modalities that Kaiber offers us. We have the Flipbook, the Motion, and Transform. My favorite one is Flipbook because Kaiber is actually the only one of these types of tools that has this option like super, available. To make this with Runway or Clean AI or Luma, it's a bit more complicated. So let's go first to Flipbook. We just need to first upload an image. For that, we're gonna go to Midjourney. Okay, so now that we've created an image of myself here in Midjourney, we're gonna save that one. Now we're gonna go to Kaiber and we're gonna use that new image for our animation. So for creating the prompt on Kaiber is actually like a super different user interface that, for example, Kling or Runway. In here you have, I want to create a video of, and you can like autofill the prompt with this magic tool. Like let's play it a little bit so you can see what creates. A man with a beard that's reading a book. This guy right here, right? Like describing my image in the style of, and you can like describe like the entire details of the style you want, right? Let's say I want like only anime style, anime fighting style. I want to create something more like Naruto. And what we're creating here is like the flipbook animation, right? Like it's gonna like go frame by frame by frame by frame by frame. I've tried this one before, like anime fighting style, and that's why I want to try that. But actually I think for a tutorial, we're gonna use some of the default styles, and let's create our video. Video settings, we can set up the duration of our video, we can set up the camera movement, and we also can pick if we want the first image of the video to be the one we uploaded. We can pick the amount of evolving that happens, so how different is the last frame from the first one. We're gonna pick there a lot, like 8. So let's go, let's generate previews. So you can see that it changed the style of the image quite a bit, but like, you know, it maintained the same type of structural framework of the image. So we can pick the one we like the most. That one looks cool, and let's create video. It's gonna create like the 6-second animation of that same image. So how it works is that first you upload your image, then you plug your prompt, then you select a style from the ones that Kaiber does, and then it creates a dedicated video. It's a great workflow, very different than any other AI tool out there, and in my opinion, much more intuitive. So yeah, props to the Kaiber team, because they're doing a good job on that part. Okay, so it did change quite a bit our image. Like the first image doesn't look at all as the last one. It looks like an evolution. Like you can see like the guys getting older with time. And at first it was like, you know, anime style. And by the end of it is very much like video or graffiti, like the style we picked from Kaiber. And you can see like different generations in the background that doesn't look that good. For example, that hand and that book, they're like, you know, doesn't make sense. But even though it changed like a lot our original generation, what I'm trying to do here is basically showcase what you can build with this tool. So imagine the amount of animations you can generate with just simple 2 prompts. For example, let's say I wanted to animate that same image, but like the original one, right? My profile picture. And let's say I want this same image of me, but I want to do it like 8-bit, like in this style, right? Or retrofuturism. Retrofuturism, let's try that one. So it creates here the style of retrofuturism, right? Belgian surrealism, side angles, surreal landscape, unexpected, and it's my image, right? So what we're gonna do is to go to video settings again. We don't want it to evolve too much, so we're gonna leave that on 3. The first image needs to be the one we uploaded, and the video duration, 6 seconds. I'm actually gonna do 5 seconds, yeah. And generate previews. As you can see, like it generated like my same picture, but like in a different style. This guy looks cooler, but this one looks more like me. Yeah. No, this one looks cooler because that one looks like me. Yeah. It's generated. So there you go. I generated the video. Let's see it. Let's watch it. I'm a bit nervous about this one, dude. I don't know why. Wow, dude. Okay, you can see how it evolved. It evolved a lot. Wow. Okay, it did evolve a lot. Like, you know, the first frame doesn't look like the last one at all, but like it worked a little bit, right? Okay, so now that we know how to play with the flipbook option, let's go to the other ones. Okay, so let's now go with motion. Let's upload our anime version of myself and go to our prompts. I want to describe video of a subject. It's gonna be the same guy reading a beer. And we want the style of, let's add a new different style, a conceptual render. Yeah, conceptual render style. For render, conceptual render, glowing special. Yeah, I really like that style. I haven't tried it yet, but like, you know, it looks cool here. Man blinking, lips rustling, page turning, right? That's what we want the animation to look like. Like, you know, we want the guy to be blinking, we want the lips to be, you know, rustling, and we want the pages of the book to be turning. Let's go to video settings. We want the duration to be, 6 seconds. We don't want it to evolve too much, so we're gonna leave that in 2. And we can pick if we want the animated model or the photorealistic model. We want the animated because it's anime, and we can also change the amount of motion our anime character has. So I'm gonna leave that on 3 because I want, like, you know, the type of motion effect to be like super detailed. So I don't want a lot of things happening. I just want that the things that happen are like, you know, realistic and look good. So we're gonna use the 3.0 version and let's generate previews. Okay, we have here our previews. I like this one. Let's tweak that one and let's create video. Okay, now generated something. Let's see it. Okay, that's not super cool. Okay. Okay, it changed the style, but the guy is blinking, and you can see that the page kind of turning, but not that much. Yeah, you can see like almost like not a lot of movement, and that's probably because I put 3 on the evolve option. But it looks cool, right? Like you can see the point of the motion. It generates 6 seconds of motion to your image. Okay, let's now go to transform. This is basically a video to video image generator. It changes your video from one style to the other. Okay, so I picked here a video from the transform option, the example video. It's just an actress like saying something in like a movie, right? This girl. And what we want to do is to transform this same actress to another style we pick here. So for example, let's say we wanted to change that video to Meteora graphic, and we want to create a video of, let's use the AI there, straight on something, and gets happy. Because in the video she's not like, she's like thinking about things, but I want her to get happy, like super happy here. Now that we have the prompt, let's go to video settings. The video length is 20 seconds. The evolve, we're gonna leave the evolve in 4. This is the premeditated option, and I want to see what happens there. The model, I want to put it photorealistic, because like we're using photorealistic style and a photorealistic video, so let's use that. And the version we're gonna use is a 3.0. Let's generate previews. Okay, so now that we have our preview, let's go to create video. Okay, there we are. Like, it generated our video. Yeah. It took a while though, just so you know. It took like probably like 15 minutes at least to generate this video. Let's watch it. Okay, so it made it photorealistic, but you can see like probably the video is like too long, but it changed a bit the style. So that's what we wanted. Like we wanted to transform the same video, the same structural video, which by the way is the same exact structure as the original one, but now has way more color and like a complete different texture. It looks like a painting, right? So that's amazing, like super cool. I really like the what we got here. Okay, let's go now to motion brush, because I want to show you that. Okay, so this is what it gives us with the motion thing. Like this is the image we're uploading. This is digital art, blowing grass and moving clouds. Let's go to video settings, and here this is the best part. You can see like the video duration. We're gonna leave that in 4, evolve to 1, animated model, motion, we're gonna leave that in 4, and we go to the motion brush option, which is one of the best features Kaiber has right now. We can basically pick and select what parts of the image we want to add motion to. Right now everything is selected. Let's not do that, right? Because I want to show you guys how the motion works. If we wanted to only add motion in the moving clouds and the grass, we would just leave this here, and also here, right? Like the clouds part, we want that to be moving a little bit, and this part, right? So let's see how that does. Save, and it's gonna cost credits. Generate preview. Okay, it generated the previews. And we have here the ones that it generated. That one looks cool. Let's create video. Okay, there we have it. You can see that it added motion only here in the clouds and in the grass and that part. And basically the house and this part of the sky is intact. That's a super cool tool Kaiber offers. That's my second favorite one after the Flipbook animation. I love that one. And let's go to Animate Image. Okay, so what happens here is that we can animate an image we upload with a song of our liking. So let's use the image we were using before, the anime version of me. We can just upload a song, whatever song we want. And the song we're gonna upload is a song by Arlen Moore, which is a DJ. This is a great house music DJ. Oh, okay, another thing I forgot to say before watching the previews. We have a new option called audio reactivity, which basically means how much do we want the video to change or to move depending on the song. Like if we have it on high and the audio moves a lot, like it's like tan tan tan, the camera is gonna move a lot too. And if we have it on low, the camera or the image can change, but just a little bit. I want to test it now, so we're gonna put it on high. And yeah, let's generate previews. And now that we have our previews, let's pick one of these. I would say all of these are the guys super sad. So I like this one. Let's use that one, the last one, and let's create video. Hey guys, I want to be super transparent with you. I've been trying to, like, since you saw that preview, I've been trying to generate that image with the reactive audio, but it doesn't let me generate the video because it says that I don't have enough credits. But as you can see here, I have 285 credits, and that's enough for that video. So I don't really know what's happening there. I think it's a bug, but I want to be super transparent with you guys. I don't want to, to fake the video to make the software look good. So yeah, I even though like it didn't work, I just, you probably with your creations is going to work, and maybe it's because this one is like a bit complicated. But I just like to be transparent and to let you know that there's gonna be a bit of bugs right now. This is like September 2024, so probably if you're seeing this in the future, those type of problems are solved. Either way, that's a bit sad because this I just wanted the image to be like linked with that kind of music, but yeah, it's not working right now. But the cool thing is that we cover pretty much every other tool in Kaiber. And again, I think this is an amazing tool. I really hope you guys use it and create some cool, dope videos. If you found this tutorial useful, please leave a like and a comment. That really helps. And remember that this was a beginner's tutorial, so if you want to see the advanced tutorial, it's going to be here. And this is a playlist with all of our tutorials. See ya.